Excellent, very reasonable price and absolutely amazing room. Had all the facilities needed. Amazing experience. Perfect. The hotel was perfect in every aspect. Very cheap and center for food, nightlife, very good location and parking available in front of hotel. Restaurant everywhere in 5 minutes walking distance to Patong Beach. Very place to stay with all comforts and budget too. Very good place. Good. My perfect stay in Patong, sparkles. I booked this hotel for 15 nights. If there were free rooms, I would extend for another month. For me, the location was perfect. Bangla, night market, good cafes, beach, everything is within walking distance, transport is not needed at all. Cleanliness, good smelling linens, lovely staff. Thank you very much for everything, hugging face, excellent value for money. The Lotus Hotel is excellent value for money. For the price you pay, you get a good-sized room with good air con, a good shower, in a good location. It is roughly 5 minutes from the main party area, but is quiet around the hotel. It has well-priced restaurants across the road, laundry services and a family mart 30 seconds away. The owner is a very nice lady who works hard. I was also able to get a reasonably priced taxi when needed. For a budget traveler, Lotus is an excellent place to stay and would gladly stay again. Exceptional, very good. The best in town, awesome friendly staff with great breakfasts. I personally would not stay anywhere else in town.